In this video, we'll show you how to install and use Microsoft Word for completely free on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to do this, first head to your web browser and then search for Microsoft Word. Now click on this first link that appears. Now in here you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, you can also create one for completely free. Once you are signed in, simply click on this three dot icon on your browser, go to cast, save and share, and then select install page as app. On different browser, this option may be located in different places, but once you find it, click on install and Microsoft Word will be installed on your PC. You will need internet connection to use it. So as you can see, Microsoft Word icon is now on my desktop, and I can also open it from the start menu by simply searching from Microsoft Word. So this is how it will appear. I can then create a blank document from here and then start working on it. So as you can see, all the features are available, nothing is grayed out. Similarly, if you already have a Word file, you can also open it from here. So simply go to open files from this device, select your file and then click on open. So this is how you can use Microsoft Word for completely free without buying any license. If you want to uninstall this, you can also click on this three dot icon and then select uninstall Microsoft Word. Similarly, you can also install other Microsoft apps such as Excel, PowerPoint and all the others. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.